Welcome to part 3 of the IBM Rational CLM reporting tutorial series. In this part, I'll build a simple list report in Cognos Query Studio, and I'll save it to Cognos Connection. The report that I'll build will show requirements organized by type, along with each requirement's name, its project, and its status. The general steps that I'll take to build my report are: first, insert data items into the report; second, order the status column; third, group the requirements; and fourth, save. First, let's make sure that the menu item Insert Data is selected. This allows you to locate query items and insert them into the workspace area. The Insert Data menu item is displayed by default every time you open Query Studio. Now I'll go to the tree hierarchy and I'll find the operational data store. Then I'll go to the Requirements area, Requirements, and double-click the data items that I need. The data items are name, project name, type, and status. You can see that when I double-click the query items in the tree hierarchy, they get added to the report and they get run so that you can immediately see the data. Notice that if the report is longer than one page, you can use the page up or page down buttons at the bottom of the report to scroll through it. You can use the top button to go back to the first page of the report. Now I'll click the status column header to select it because I'm going to sort that column. To automatically sort ascending, I click the sort button on the toolbar. You can now see on page 1 that the column is now sorted ascending. This is shown in the indicator above the table and by the arrow in the column title. If I wanted to sort in another way, I could right-click the highlighted status column heading and get some different options. Now I click the type column header to select it because I'm going to group the requirements. To do that, I just click the group button on the toolbar. You can see that the requirements are now grouped by types so that all the actor types are in one row and all the business goal types are in another row, and so on. Now I'm going to save my report. To do that, I click the Save As button in the toolbar. You can see that when I do that, I then need to say where I want the report to be saved. In this case, the My Folders folder is already selected, but if it wasn't, then you would have to select it in order to save there. You can also select any other location that you want to. I'm going to save into the My Folders folder so then I can go to Cognos Connection to look at my report. I'm going to name my report, My Report, and I'm going to skip the description field for now. I click OK. Now I'm going to click the home icon to go to Cognos Connection. Once I'm in Cognos Connection, I click the My Folders tab, and as you can see, the new report has saved into this folder. From here, you have several options for either running or opening the report. Clicking on it runs it in Query Studio. And back in Query Studio, you can click the Run button in the toolbar to refresh the data in the report.